In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to view your liked videos on YouTube via your Google account. It's a straightforward process, so let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. If you're not using Chrome, this process may vary slightly, so keep that in mind. Now, click on the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, find and click on Manage your Google account. In your Google account settings, look to the left side and find Data and Privacy. Click on it. Now, scroll down a bit until you see My Activity. Give that a click. Scroll down again until you find the section for YouTube likes and dislikes. It's right there under the date range. Click on View Likes and Dislikes. And there you have it. You'll now see a list of all your liked videos along with the exact date you liked them. This is also where you can find any videos you've disliked. It's a handy way to keep track of the content you've enjoyed on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick guides, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.